Hey guys, my name's Christy and this is my Crafty Country. In today's video, I'm just doing a Dollar Tree haul. This is some that I did right before Easter. So this has been like a 2-week process where I just getting through Easter and my niece's baby shower. I did not have time to do the video, so I was just kind of like hanging out over there in the corner. So here we go. My gnomes. I found more gnomes. I even found the Easter gnome signs, which I absolutely love. There's a couple more of these in there. I went ahead and got some. That way I would have them for next year. So I could get my crafting on a little early. Found some florals. These are just the, what do they call it? Ferns. So grab some of those for some wreath making or just decorations. Get rid of the bags. Another fern. Okay, this one's kind of funny. My son wanted this. Okay, it's like a butterfly net, I guess. He wants to use it to catch our chickens because we're going to be needing to catch a few of them because they're not laying eggs anymore. So he can't catch them by hand, so he wanted a big net. So ask and you shall receive. Some of this is from when I went on vacation, so I've kind of put that over there. Oh, exciting find. Everybody's been seeing these, right? I had not seen them yet, but it is the metal ribbon. Get my hand out of the way. I don't know if there were different types. I did find 3 different ones, and I thought they'd be so cute. Like if you want to edge a sign, you could put this on it and then maybe paint over it for a little bit of added texture. I found these little signs that I thought would be cute to remake because I'm not a big fan. I grabbed 2. I'm not a big fan of that background. I mean, it's not horrible, but I think I would like to change it. Okay, I found these little signs. One says hello, one says home, and they're just they're not terribly thick, just the wood rounds. I think I'm going to paint this welcome sign, maybe put floral up top, but then I could have something different on the back. So you could do just every day, and then you could maybe do a holiday on the other side. So that is a possibility. Oh, I was excited about these. Okay, they always have chalkboards, right? I got me a scraper too. I've got some of those. Let me get that out of the way. They had these little house-shaped chalkboards. So I grabbed a couple of those. I thought maybe line them up. Well, they had the dry erase ones too. I thought you could possibly line them up and write the word home or something on them. But I only found the one size of the chalkboard and the dry erase board. So I got me some of those. Got a couple extra for gifting. They had these. These actually hang up. They have a little cord, or not cord, but a rope, string stapled to the back. So if you want to take that off, you could. But they're a little bit larger than the ones that they normally have at Dollar Tree. So grab me a couple of those. I got this for a friend. She loves elephants. So finally found this. I have the one with the rooster because I have a rooster kitchen. So I put that over with my gifting. Another gift. This is one big old pack of needles. And actually, I didn't notice this, but I might have got bonus. They were all stuck together. Oh goodness. Well, now I feel bad. I just thought it was one. There's 4 of them. So, more bang for my buck there, right? Whoops. If it does it help that I didn't know? Like, I legit just noticed that. I got me some markers. So I had seen somewhere that there's one size of markers they have at Dollar Tree that fits in your Cricut. So hold the phone. I'll check right now. Okay, these are not the ones. These do not fit in the Cricut, but I got them knowing that they might not be the right ones. But I have a 9-year-old, so he'll enjoy using those, I'm sure. I was able to find some of these little succulent holders. I've been looking for the fox. Yeah, I think there was another one I was wanting to find for a friend of mine, but that's okay. I found her that one, and if she doesn't like it, my son actually likes those cute little things. He doesn't put succulents in them. When I do my greenhouse, he plants flowers or vegetables or whatever. So, found some of these little wooden crates. I thought about using, I got 3 of them. I'm gonna put them on a board and have them like stacked up and down that board. You know, you can see those long signs. So if I stack those, if I have a picture of it, I'll put it in right here where I made one already. And it was such a hit, I thought, well, might as well get some more and make another one. I found some of the lace ribbon. If y'all know me at all, I am a ribbon girl. So the lace is so cute. Got me some more gnomes. I know obviously these will have to be winter because they have ice skates on, unless I put something around the feet where you can't tell that it's ice skates, like moss or something down there to kind of cover that. And then I could paint them up however I want. So I got me, let's see, how many do I have? I have 3 of them, I believe. Then, these are not new. The plaques. I saw a thing where a DIY on somebody's page, this has been last year, so I won't be able to link it below because I don't know who it was, but she turned these into pumpkins. Like painted them all different colors and then made it into like a pumpkin stand. So, that's a possibility. I got me a little foam soccer ball. I got a different ball too because you could stick florals in these and turn them into topiaries. So the good foam for shoving the stems in. Excuse me. Okay. Get my leg out of there. There we go. Be ready for a story because I found these hair curlers, okay? See if I can show you how they work. I had just bought some of these at Walmart, like a bunch of them. I did not know Dollar Tree had them. They're just foam on the outside and then they're bendy. So they're like pipe cleaner, you know, little wire inside there. So what you do is you get a small piece of hair and just like a regular curler, you would wrap. Once you get it all wrapped up, then these just bend. And then they're not as hard to lay on. But I bought them all at Walmart and then I found them at Dollar Tree. I mean, I'm glad I found them. I got me a couple packs. But, you know, that's how it works. You find it somewhere else and you buy it for, I've done that so many times. And then bam, Dollar Tree's got it. I got this little, it's a wall decal. It's been in the bag, so it got bent up a little bit, but no harm, no foul. It says, be happy. I thought the flowers were pretty. And, you know, if you do a bee theme craft, I got one of these. I actually got one for me and one for a friend. I am not crazy about this jar, just because I don't like the faded coloring. But I did like the texture of it and the shape, so I thought about painting it. So I got one for her, one for me. Oh, here was an exciting one. I get excited over the strangest things, but whatever, right? These are plant clips. So I opened this one because I was excited and I showed my husband. You can fit the stem into this little area and you it'll hold your plant to a post, or like obviously use a real plant, like your tomato plants. You can go around the stem and around a little skewer or something and it'll hold your plant up without having to be actually attached to it. So they're little, and how many's in a pack? Get the old glasses out. It says there's 20. There's 20 in a pack. So I do a lot of gardening, so I did get 2 packs of them. Put those back in. Okay. Now I got a hot mess over here. That's all right. Get some stuff out of the way. I'm sure you guys love hearing the rattle of bags. Oh, and pay no attention to the mess behind me, because I'm telling you, We went away a couple weeks ago, and then I have just been in a funk, and I'm tired, and my sinuses were a hot mess, because I mean, I live in southern Indiana in the springtime, so woo-wee. So today is my day to get back at it, so wish me luck. I found some ribbon, some patriotic ribbon. I think there was more, but these were my favorites. I might have gotten another one. For some reason, I think I did, but we'll see when we get there. These I was excited about. These are plant casters, and you can kind of read what it says there. But they have these wheels on the bottom to where I thought I could use them in my pantry. Maybe get, and I probably don't have it here, but one of those cake pans, the round ones, and set it in the bottom. That way I don't have the bumpy surface, but I would have the flat surface in the bottom. I can put it in my pantry and roll things in and out. Kind of like a Lazy Susan type of gist. So they have it in a few colors. So like I said, with my gardening, since I like to garden, I got four of them. The garden flags that they have every year. I did not see gnome ones last year, but you know, we've gone gnome wild at Dollar Tree. Land of the Free. Then this one is like more like a kite. It's called a wind spiral, and it's got the gnomes on it too. You can see that picture. Okay. And you saw the cake pan. I don't know where I put it. Oh, right here. So you know the tier trays. We always do like the round tier trays. I found this brownie pan and the square cake pan, and I thought the square tier tray. So we shall see. But I had never seen the brownie pans there before, so I was kind of excited. I found some of these. I got one of these for a gift. I ended up going a different route because I got these white baskets, like the laundry baskets, and it was a baby shower gift, and I did it in one of those baskets instead. But these are always handy to have, and I like the pattern. So they do have all different colors of those. Some clips, and I cut myself. Yeah, when I was doing dishes this morning, can't put a knife anywhere near me. Okay, I'm about to lose my stuff here. Okay, so my mission was to do a bath basket. Okay, because for our Facebook group, our secret swap is shower. So that could be shower as in rain, or that could be shower as in go take a shower. So I decided to go with shower as in hygiene. So I went and got a bunch of bath stuff, some pampering things, got the eye mask. I have never seen this before, but it's soothing oatmeal bath treatment. Some of the gloves. This one I am really kind of interested in. I don't know if this is for a giveaway or not, but cold and allergy, it's like bath salts. So maybe the aromatherapy type of deal. Tried to go with the purple theme. Best I could. Some shower fizzers. I think there was 2 different types. Oh, totally off topic. Goes back to the red, white, and blue gnome thing. I looked at these, and they are so cute. Stephanie, I would have got 2, but they didn't have 2. But look how cute those are. Wasn't there a gnome one in there? Yeah, one of them's a gnome one. So I figured something nice to have. Summertime, you know, when you go to fireworks or whatever. It could be super hot, or I could just put them like up on the wall. Just stick them up on the wall as decoration. That is to be seen. Okay, more purple bath stuff. Facial cleaning towelettes for my shower stuff. These were so cute. I had never seen these before. If you have, let me know. They are shower fizzers, but they have like pieces of lavender in them. So super excited to find those. And Repairing Honey hair mask, also from a shower basket. And then this jar right here. I know they had these last year, but I didn't get any, so I just got one because obviously it looks like a pumpkin, and I thought about redoing it, painting it for my farmhouse Christmas, or not Christmas, farmhouse fall decor. So I'm thinking a little bit out, but you kind of have to at Dollar Tree, because you know they get all their stuff super early, and then by the time that season's actually here, they've already moved on. Like, okay, it's what month is it? April? And the 4th of July stuff's been out since before St. Patrick's Day. So if you want to get it from your Dollar Tree, you got to get the jump on it. I think that concludes my Dollar Tree haul for today. I did have a couple different plastic bins. Maybe I'll do another haul later once I get all my stuff organized and around. But that concludes my Dollar Tree haul for today. If there's something that you saw that you liked or something you've been looking for, let me know in the comments. I will link the drawings for my YouTube video, or I will link the YouTube video for the drawings down below, and I will link the Facebook group. So I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.